Okay, we will answer this one. A rectangular garden has an area by 6x squared plus x minus 2 square meters. If the length is represented by 3x plus 2, so find the binomial that represent the width. Okay, so ang formula ng rectangle or rectangular garden ay that is area equals length times width. Okay, so yung given natin dito, yung area is 6x squared plus x minus 2. So, equals yung length naman is represented by 3x plus 2. Then, hanapin natin yung width, so times width. So, multiply natin itong 3x plus 2 times width, so that is 3 plus 2 width. So, divide natin yan both sides. Okay, kopyahan muna natin yan. So, 3x plus 2 times width. Diba? Divide natin by 3x plus 2. Dito rin sa kabila, 3x plus 2. Cancel natin. So, naiwan dito yung width. Okay, so, i-divide natin yan para makuha natin yung width. So, 6x squared plus x minus 2. Divide natin kay 3x plus 2. So, hanap tayo ng number na kapag i-multiply natin ay magiging 6x squared. So, that is 2x. Okay? So, sa choices natin, dalawa na lang. So, 2x times 3x, that is 6x squared. Then, 2x, multiply natin kay 2, magiging plus 4x. So, subtract natin to. So, take note, mag-change ito ng sign. So, magiging negative yan. Ito magiging negative. So, 0 ito. Then, x minus 4x, so that is negative 3x. Bring down natin yung negative 2. So, next, multiply naman natin para magiging negative 3x. So, negative 1. So, negative 1 times 3x. So, that is negative 3x. Negative 1 times 2. That is negative 2. Change natin yung sign. So, magiging plus yan. Ito rin magiging plus. So, this is 0. Therefore, yung solution natin is 2x minus 1. Sa choices natin, letter B is the correct answer.